Alright, if you want to make slides quickly without wasting time designing everything manually, using Gamma AI can really speed things up a lot. First, go to Gamma and log into your account. Then click Create New to begin. Next, choose the Presentation or Slides option so Gamma knows you want to build a slide deck. Now enter your topic, like Marketing Strategy or AI Tools Overview. Keep it clear so the AI can generate better slides. Click Generate, and Gamma will instantly create a full slide deck. Yeah, it structures everything for you automatically. Now go through each slide. Check the flow. Introduction, main points, and conclusion should be clear. Click any text to edit it. You can shorten, rewrite, or adjust tone, whatever fits your message. Now tweak the design, change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your style or brand. You can add images, icons, or charts. This helps make your slides more engaging and easier to understand. If needed, drag to reorder slides or add new ones. Yeah, you have full control over the structure. Finally, export your slides or present directly from Gamma. You can download them or share a live link. And that's it. Gamma makes slide creation super fast and easy. Once you get the hang of it, you can build professional slides in just minutes.